The DeepSeek V3.1 has torn a hole in the matrix of language models, a hybrid creature with dual consciousness, thinking and non-thinking modes coexisting within its digital mind. What happens when AI learns to reflect before it speaks? Reality as we know it just got a software update. What if a single model could both think deliberately and respond instinctively, just as humans do? DeepSeek V3.1 is a powerful hybrid model offering both thinking and non-thinking modes in one architecture. This open-source powerhouse brings improved tool calling capabilities, faster thinking efficiency, and massive context handling at 128K tokens. Unlike traditional models forcing you to choose between speed or reasoning, DeepSeek V3.1 lets you seamlessly switch between modes through simple template changes, a genuine evolution in how AI processes information. The architecture stands before you like a digital colossus, 671 billion parameters compressed into 37 billion activated parameters. This open-source marvel runs on a foundation of extended context training, 630 billion tokens at 32,000 context length and 209 billion tokens at 128,000 context length. Its unique UE8M0FP8 scale data format ensures compatibility with microscaling while supporting both thinking and non-thinking modes through a sophisticated template system. Who would pay for products created by this tool? Technical enterprises requiring complex reasoning paths will invest heavily. Research institutions needing both quick responses and deep analysis would budget for integration. Software development teams seeking advanced code assistance and mathematical problem solvers requiring step-by-step solutions represent the core market with enterprise-level budgets. Transform this tool into revenue through three powerful streams. First, create specialized versions fine-tuned for industry verticals like healthcare or finance, charging subscription access. Second, build reasoning-enhanced code generation platforms that solve complex programming challenges through its thinking mode. Third, develop automated research assistants that combine both modes for academic and scientific discovery pipelines. We are going to have a look at our judgment matrix for this AI tool, looking at the workforce earthquake rating, monetization potential rating, and operational cost efficiency rating to understand the true impact of DeepSeek V3.1. The job market trembles because technical writers and documentation specialists will watch as DeepSeek generates comprehensive documentation with built-in reasoning. Junior developers face serious disruption as the model can both generate and explain code simultaneously. Even mathematical consultants will feel the ground shift as complex problems fall before its dual-mode capabilities. I would give the tool a rating of 4 on the judgment matrix for workforce earthquake because of its versatile capabilities across multiple domains. The gold beneath the surface lies in its hybrid functionality, one system that serves two distinct market needs. However, significant barriers exist in its resource requirements and the expertise needed for proper implementation. The learning curve for template modification creates adoption friction, while competition from similar large language models continues to intensify. I would give the tool a rating of 3 on the judgment matrix for monetization potential because, while valuable, it requires significant technical expertise to fully capitalize upon. Behind the impressive capabilities lurks the shadow of computational demand. Running a 671 billion parameter model, even with parameter-efficient activation, requires substantial hardware investment. The thinking mode particularly taxes systems during inference, while context lengths of 128,000 tokens multiply memory requirements dramatically. I would give the tool a rating of 2 on the judgment matrix for operational cost because of its heavy resource consumption that scales poorly for smaller operations. We stand at the crossroads where AI no longer simply responds, but contemplates. DeepSeek V3.1 challenges our understanding of machine cognition. What happens when our tools begin to think before they speak? The line between instinctive reaction and deliberate thought blurs further. Subscribe to witness this evolution unfold.